Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Ivy and I'm a makeup artist based in Asaba, Delta State, Nigeria. In today's video, we are going to be discussing 5 assumptions about beauty gurus. If you want to know what these assumptions are, what my thoughts and my take are on this, then please keep on watching and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel down below, okay? Please guys, we've been at 50 subscribers for over 2 weeks now. Please just take a minute, like pause this video, go down, click on that red subscribe button and then come right back. I'll be here, I'll be waiting. Just pause, okay? I'll see you in a bit. Welcome back guys. So who is a beauty guru? Like previously, the word or the term beauty guru used to piss me off. Like I didn't even want to hear it. Like I just felt it was really insulting, beauty guru. But I just came to realize and find out that it's actually not like an insultive word. It's not used in a harmful way. It's not used in a way to like put others down and stuff like I initially thought. A beauty guru is just like the beauty influencer, okay? It can be makeup, it can be skincare, it can be anything beauty related. They call them gurus because they've attained like the height in that field, either by the number of followers, years of practice that has made them really famous in the beauty field, okay? So what are the 5 assumptions about beauty gurus? The first assumption about beauty gurus is that beauty gurus apply too much makeup. I've been hearing that so often. Like you guys, beauty gurus apply too much makeup. They're always like applying this and that foundation, powder, highlight, this and that and eyeshadow. And why can they not just apply foundation and powder and just let it go? And I'm like, look, you subscribe to that particular channel for a particular purpose. I'm going to use the term beauty guru lightly in this video to mean like makeup beauty influencers, okay? So for example, you subscribe to that channel because you were interested in the makeup probably that the artist or the beauty guru is into, okay? Now you cannot come to that channel and start telling that particular beauty guru that they apply too much makeup. What drew you there? If you don't like it, you unsubscribe and go look for some other channel that applies, maybe the beauty guru applies the kind of makeup you like, okay? Don't subscribe, don't watch what you don't want to see, okay? They apply too much makeup. It's a makeup channel. Are they not supposed to apply makeup? It's not why you are there in the first instance. Please leave them alone. Yes, they apply too much. In fact, I'm a beauty guru today, by fire by force. Yes, we apply too much makeup. Yes, because we love makeup so much and we love getting glam. So leave us like that, please. If you don't want to do makeup, you don't like your natural skin, you don't want to apply anything, please, all well and good. Stay on your own, leave us alone. Don't come to our channel and start telling us not to make up. Is it your business? Does it concern you? Okay? Does it? Please, stay in your lane. Like your makeup the way you like it and leave us to love our plenty makeup. Alright? The second assumption about beauty gurus is that beauty gurus lie a lot about products. In fact, the other day, a friend, an acquaintance of mine called me and was like, now wow, like I'll just watch this video, they'll say buy this is good, buy that is good, and I'll buy it, doesn't work for me. Please, before I go into that, if you hear any sound, it's raining heavily over here. It's been raining for hours non-stop. I had to film this video and that is why, I'm filming now and it's raining, okay? So just bear with me, all right? Now back to our discussion. The beauty guru, YouTuber or beauty influencer you are following, you don't just follow. At times you follow because you like the person, yes, but if you want to follow them based on product recommendations, then be mindful of who you follow, okay? There are some beauty gurus I follow because we have similar skin shade. So if I want to get a particular product, I like to wait for their reviews to know what shades they get, and that can like guide me to get the right shade. Okay, now there are some beauty gurus I follow because they have like my skin type, oily skin, very oily skin. Okay, people like Dima May, that Igbo chick, Nikia Joy, Jenny Jenkins, one or two other beauty gurus I follow because they have oily skin. So if they tell you this product works for oily skin, then you can be sure that it will work for you. Okay, these are people who I trust their opinions. Okay, like they've been always been consistent non-stop. All right, now there are other YouTubers or beauty gurus that I follow because I just like hearing them talk. I just like their personality. I just like their vibe. In my head, they're like my best friend. They are like friendly. I just like, watching them. So if those kind of beauty gurus have a dry skin, for example, and they recommend a product, I have no business going to buy that product because it's not work for me. So if you want a beauty guru to give you product recommendations, please, if I bite my tongue, make sure the beauty guru has your skin shade. So before you come here crying and claiming that a beauty guru lied to you about a particular product, please ensure that your skin type, your skin shade, or whatever, you have similarities to that beauty guru. Okay, let a dry skin beauty guru not come and tell you a product that you will use as an oily skin girl. All right, yes, among every 12 there's always a Judas. There are beauty gurus who lie. In the past we've seen like one or two come out, but that should not be your basis for generalizing for every single beauty guru. Okay, you shouldn't. Some will use a particular product and tell you this product is great because they've been paid, but the truth is it's not sustainable, because by the time you catch them out the first, second, third time, some they even get up to 3 chances. I found out that once that trust is broken, your subscribers will no longer, or your followers will no longer trust what you say. So if you say this product is the bomb, they will say, but the last one she said, see how it is. And that one cuts across, like it's more general than 1 or 2 or 3 people saying this product doesn't work. Okay, and that is it for that. Okay, so beauty gurus are not liars. Please, we're not liars, we say it as it is. Okay, now the third assumption about beauty gurus is that beauty gurus have products that they keep secret. But of course, you want to know everything about us. You want to know every single thing we use. No, now. So if we do master class, or we're doing a program or something, or a class that you have to pay for or something, what are we going to review to you? You have to get value for your money. Of course, there are like 1 or 2 products that a beauty guru can discover and decide to keep a secret. There are like 1 or 2 techniques that they can discover and decide to keep a secret. Okay, it's their right to decide whether to tell you or not. Some will tell you, some will not. Okay, yes, I agree with that assumption. Yeah, some beauty gurus have products they keep secrets. Of course, it's normal. What's the big deal? Is it your product? Is it your secret to tell? Please, leave us, beauty gurus. Leave us to our secrets. Okay, our secret products. Okay, so that like with our working makeup artists now, the day will come and touch your face, you will know that something is different. All right. Yes, I agree. I think I agree with that assumption. Yes, beauty gurus, we have some products that we keep secrets. Not everyone might agree with me on this, but yeah, I know that there are so many beauty gurus that have products they keep secret. Like on the down low, it's just that thing, that extra thing that they do in their work, or that extra product that they use that works or does something really nice. Wow. Okay, so I agree with you on that. Now, the fourth assumption about beauty gurus is that beauty gurus have brands they cling to, brands that they only promote, whether the products are good or the products are bad. I will not agree with you on this one fully. Okay, because as a beauty guru, there are times when brands reach out to you and we get to work with them, and over time it stops being more like an official relationship. You get to know each other. It starts becoming more on the personal level. Okay, some of these companies, like reach out across the table and personal relationships form. Now, like Morphe and Jaclyn Hill, they have that kind of relationship. Some other brands, Colourpop and Kathleen Lights, they have that kind of relationship. Like there are some other like brands and some other beauty gurus that have formed that kind of relationship. But the fact that they like those brands and like they only stick to those brands doesn't mean that it's a bad thing. Okay, now you will find out that it might be a particular product like an eyeshadow palette or a lip stain or something. Not every single product that the company brings out or releases. Okay, now there are like very rare exceptions to this, but more often than not it's for particular products. Okay, it's not for like every single thing in the company or the company produces. Yes, out of courtesy you can just announce on your channel, this company has produced this, or this is something that's just coming up, I hope to try it out. If you have like my skin type, you might want to try it out or something. Just give the company a shout out. But then again, after they go in and review the product, they will come out and tell you this product, because the fact that the product does not work for you does not mean to not work for another person. You have oily skin, me I have dry skin, or I have oily skin, you have dry skin. The fact that it didn't work for me with my skin doesn't mean it won't work for you. Okay, so after I come, the only difference is that they can come on and then tell you about the product, like, okay, I used it on my oily skin, it didn't work. So if you have a dry skin, you might want to try it out. And they're not telling you not to try it out. They've only told you if you have a dry skin. Abi? Because they like the brand. If you don't like the brand, they'll tell you, I have oily skin, it didn't work for me. So if you have oily skin, don't use. They will not try to push it to the dry skin people, if you understand what I mean, because they have personal relationships. There's no big deal in that. I don't see it as a bad thing. Like if I have a girlfriend who does something really cool, like produces like really, really nice products, and she tells me, okay, why can you shout me out on your channel, and then I use the product and it's good, why will I not say this product is good? And later in future she now produces another product and it didn't work out for me with my oily skin. I will come out here and I will still say it didn't work out for me, but I have oily skin. Maybe if you have dry skin, try it out, and you might try it out with your dry skin and it won't work for you, and you might try it out and it won't still work for you. You'll probably come to my comment section and say, Ivy, you told me to try this product, I have dry skin, it didn't work for me. I will now know that it doesn't work, Shebi. But like I always keep on saying, the fact that they have personal relationship with this brand and like they stick to certain brands, they have formed a working relationship with that brand, they've had good experiences, it's only natural that they stick to the brand and like they keep on shouting out those brands. Okay, I don't see any big deal in that. Yes, that assumption is true. Some beauty gurus have brands that they stick to. That is life for you. And some also don't have any loyalties, like anything good. You can be quarreling, they work with you and work with you. There's no big deal. So that is life. The fifth assumption about beauty gurus is that beauty guru makeup is different from that of normal makeup artist. And I'm just sitting here and I'm just wondering, like, which one is normal makeup artist again? Are beauty guru makeup abnormal? It's not abnormal, please. It's not. They are just different styles of makeup. Okay, it's different does not mean that it's different in a bad way. Okay, now I've seen most of these broad makeup artists, they'll just apply foundation, like a very light layer, they want the freckles to show through, and then apply eyeshadow, and this just do it and then they go. But if you're a makeup artist in Nigeria, weather here is hot though. Forget that it's raining today, very hot. If you don't like set the makeup well, like use a long staying foundation, set the makeup well with powder, setting spray, go through all these steps, and you finish working. Before your client walks from here to there, they already sorted everything else. I will see patches here and there and here and there. Okay, now yes, I feel like compared to this, some makeup artists, like some of these working makeup artists, I feel like they go more lighter coverage than YouTuber makeup artists. Okay, but then what events are they covering for those? Like me, personally, I'm a bridal makeup artist, and I'm a bridal makeup artist based in Nigeria. A bridal makeup artist based in America. When you have snow or winter, it's not the same way that they will apply their makeup that me I will apply my own in Nigeria, because in our dry and sunny weather it has to be like different. Okay, now the amount of products I see people use some to a larger portion, like lots and lots, but you don't need that if you know what you're doing. You know, there are still makeup artists that are upcoming, upcoming anyway. There are some that are still like trying to test the waters and test their hands out and see what works for them and all whatnot. But this assumption that beauty group makeup is different from that of normal makeup artists, I beg, I don't agree with that at all. Where are you practicing your makeup artistry? What is the climate there? Okay, and then again, what is your style of applying makeup? I know some beauty gurus that are very, very light-handed, like they go very lightly, as in very, very lightly, like little, and they some that are just dedicated to blending. Some, you know, different aspects. Some their eyeshadow is always like cut crease, boom. Some is just like natural, some is smoky, some, you know, so everything is what ties up together to determine whether a makeup is loud or is calm, or it depends on the look you're also going for. Is it a natural look? Is it a smoky eye? Is it, what are you going for? Is it a nude lip? Is it a red lip? Those are the things you should look out for. So this one, that beauty guru makeup is different from that of normal makeup artist. I don't understand though. I don't agree with this one at all. Please guys, I don't agree with it. Anyway, this is the end of our reacting to assumptions about beauty gurus. We beauty gurus, okay? Because I'm claiming to be a beauty guru. I'm one of them, okay? All right guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. I hope you had a nice time. This is just all for laughs. Don't take life too serious. I mean, you can see the climate we're in now, and there is nothing worth stressing yourself for. You just get BP. So take life jeje, okay? And I'll see you in my very next video. Bye guys.